Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from FarhatLectures.com. A company owns 30% of the non-voting stock of non-voting preferred stock. What method applies? Is it equity? Is it fair value? Is it consolidation? Is it cost? Well, I will take consolidation out because I'm looking for that 50 plus. And the cost method, I'm not told that the fair value is not determinable. I'm going to assume it's determinable. We can determine that. So we're left between equity and fair value. 30% is between 20 and 50. So are you heading toward equity? Be careful. This 30% is non-voting. It means how much influence does it give you? It gives you zero influence. You have no influence. And when you have no influence, you have to use the fair value method. If you had influence, significant influence, you would use the equity method. So don't let the percentage fools you. It's non-voting. It could be non-voting common stock. Certain common stocks in the real world are non-voting. I think Google might be non-voting. They have a non-voting common stock. So it exists. So just be careful, or they might tell you 30%, but the owners have no saying for one reason or another. Then you have no influence. No influence, assume fair value. Those percentages are a guide, are a good guide, but you have to be careful on the exam day if you have something else given in the problem. Now, the good thing, if you're working these quizzes on Farhat Lectures, you can ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answers, create a similar MCQ to help you test your knowledge. Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, CMA exam candidate, accounting student, studying for a professional certification, the best investment you can make in yourself is invest in yourself, invest in your education. Don't shortchange yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, simulations, exercises, true false questions, AI summaries, so on and so forth. Best of luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At FarhatLectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.